These 4 seriously cool platforms are actually dishing out a sweet $30 every 10 minutes just for typing what you hear. It's like hitting the jackpot without even breaking a sweat. How amazing is that? And guess what? I've got your back throughout the entire process. I'll guide you through the whole thing step by step so you can start making that easy money in no time. But hold on a sec. Before we dive in, don't forget to smash that thumbs up button so the YouTube algorithm can give us some love. Let's get started, shall we? So I'll reveal the top 4 platforms that are willing to pay you for this super cool gig. And then I'll show you a handy way to automate the whole typing process so you don't have to manually type a single word if that's not your thing. Who likes typing anyway, right? Now, the main tool you'll need to automate all this work is Google Translate. You can easily access it by heading to translate.google.com. And here's the cool part. You can actually earn more cash by translating words into different languages. Don't worry, I'll explain why that's awesome. So with Google Translate, you can play the audio and let Google do the typing for you. It even gives you a translation in another language. So you'll have the English transcription and a Spanish translation. How neat is that? You can get paid twice for simply typing in English and then translating it into Spanish. So without further ado, let me reveal those 4 platforms that will pay you for using Google Translate. Let's go. All right, so before we jump into the exciting opportunities, you'll need to have a PayPal account. Don't worry, it's super easy to set up. Just head over to paypal.com from anywhere in the world and create your account. Got that sorted? Great. Now, let's get started with the first site. It may not be the highest paying one, but it definitely is a fantastic place to begin your journey. I'm talking about Scribby.com. This awesome platform is all about freelance transcription work. Here's the deal. You can work at your own convenience and earn a cool $5 to $20 per audio hour. That's not too shabby, right? Plus, they give you automated transcripts to save you a whopping 60% of the typing effort. Talk about a time saver. All you have to do is listen to the audio they give you and make any necessary corrections. Once you've got the transcription all set, you submit it back. Easy peasy. And guess what? If you use Google Translate, it can do the typing for you. How convenient is that? Now, here's an awesome tip. If you transcribe in a different language, you can earn even more. So there's a potential to boost your earnings. Some people on this platform are making around $1,600 per month in extra income. Not too bad, right? And remember, you can stack multiple sites like this to maximize your earning potential. The sky's the limit. Scribby.com has been in the game since 2008, and they've already paid out over $4 million to their hardworking transcribers. So you can rest assured it's a legit website with a global community of 50,000 certified transcribers in various countries. You can work from the comfort of your own home and set your own schedule. How awesome is that? All right, that wraps up our introduction to the first site. Stay tuned for more exciting platforms coming your way. Now let's move on to the second site that's going to rock your transcription world. Go Transcript. This site has been around for quite some time and has established itself as a reputable player in the game. Here's what makes Go Transcript so awesome. They pay a sweet 60 cents per audio minute. That means the more you transcribe, the more you earn. And get this, their top monthly earnings reach around $1,200. That's a nice chunk of change. What's even better is the flexibility they offer. You can choose your own projects and work at your own pace. It's all about finding that perfect balance for you. And guess what? They also reward you for translating into different languages. So if you've got language skills, you can earn even more cash. Now, one common question that pops up is about payment. Don't worry, Go Transcript has got you covered. They pay every single Friday like clockwork. So you can count on a regular payday to keep those funds flowing. Using Go Transcript is a breeze. The platform is user-friendly, making it easy for you to navigate and get started in no time. So if you're looking for a straightforward site to kick off your transcription journey, Go Transcript is an excellent choice. All right, we're making progress. Keep that enthusiasm going because we've got more exciting sites to explore. Stay tuned. All right, guys, it's time to dive into the third site on our transcription adventure, Transcribe Me. This site is here to offer you some fantastic earning potential. Here's the deal. On Transcribe Me, you can earn an impressive $60 to $70 per audio hour if you become part of their special team. Now, you might be wondering, what makes this team special? Well, they have expertise in multiple languages. But hey, no worries if you're not multilingual. Thanks to our trusty sidekick, Google Translate, you can still get the job done effortlessly. One cool perk of Transcribe Me is that they give you healthcare and a bunch of other benefits. So it's not just about making money, they actually care about your well-being. Isn't that awesome? Getting started on Transcribe Me is a breeze. Just head over to transcribeme.com and hit that Start Freelancing button. Fill out a quick application and set up your account. And bam, you're all set to start transcribing words and raking in those earnings. Transcribe Me is committed to making the process as simple and user-friendly as possible. So even if you're new to the transcription game, you'll find their platform super easy to work with. All right, make sure to hold tight because there's one more site to explore and it is a game changer. Keep watching. So now we've reached the final site on our transcription journey, rev.com. Brace yourself for this one, guys, because this site is known for its impressive payout rates. So Rev is actually one of the highest paying sites out there, and they make sure you get your hard-earned cash on a weekly basis via PayPal. Getting paid regularly is always a great feeling, isn't it? The best part is that Rev offers you flexible hours, so you can work whenever it suits you. No need to stress about rigid schedules. It's all about finding that sweet spot of convenience. To join the Rev team, all you need to do is head over to the website, rev.com. Look for the freelancer sign up here button, select your country, and boom, you're on your way to setting up your account and diving into the world of transcription. Now, let's talk numbers. Rev pays a solid $1.10 per audio minute for regular work. But wait, if you scroll down and happen to know a foreign language, they're willing to pay an impressive $3 per audio minute. That's a whopping $30 every 10 minutes using the power of Rev. Talk about earning some serious dough. So trust me, guys, Rev is the real deal. They've gained quite a reputation and have been featured on renowned platforms like pennyholder.com, Forbes, Huffington Post, and Business Insider. So with this one, you can definitely rest assured that you're signing up with a trusted and widely recognized site. So there you have it, guys. We've explored 4 incredible platforms that can turn your typing skills into cold, hard cash. I would highly recommend signing up to all of them so that you'll quadruple the amount of work that you'll have available to you. So why wait? Sign up today and go on your transcription journey right now. Which website will you be trying out? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to show some love to this video by giving it a thumbs up and hitting that subscribe button if you haven't already. Trust me, you want to be the first to know about our next videos because I've got some exciting tips and tricks up my sleeve to help you make money like a pro. See you next time.